That's good enough. Let's make them sleep. You know what? I think sleep is too powerful. Or maybe not. Let's build these guys. Enemy sleep +3. Alright. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. Sleep +1, sleep +3. That's gonna make them sleep for a while. There he's sleeping. Oh. That's good. There I have this. Enter close combat to the left. And enemy sleep. Oh, I have a lot of sleep. Shield weak. Okay, let's build more. Let's try to build there. No, this. Okay, that's good, but I need to to kill them somehow. Enemy health. So this, okay. Enemy confused. That's good. Okay, maybe I should change this. Okay. I'm gonna change the number of cards that I can carry. Max. Let's do a 9 or 8. Okay, that's very powerful. So I need a rock and grass because I have a tree here. Oh, another error. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Reach end of path. But the destination was not reached. Path pending. Oh, it's because it's outside. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that's a problem. I get a point and then I move it. So I need to make sure that the point is inside the walking area. There. So maybe this can be here. No, not here. Here. No, not here either. Where was it? Managers. So it was a manager. It must be on managers. There, map interactions manager. Okay. So this guy is a public. Contains position. Let's see. There. Let's select the cars. Let's put this here. Perfect. Let's do map. There we go. So then we go back here. And we make sure that each position is inside the walkable area. So well, so let's do map interactions. Instance. Check pathfinding. Check pathfinding walkable area. So how do I do while? I do a while loop in C#. I never use while loops. Okay. What loops are available in C#? While, for each, do. Alright, I want a do. While this is false. While not there, new position. There we go. Should I do it like this? Do? That's a little bit confusing for me. Do this while okay, so that way I'm sure that new position is a walkable area. So let's make sure that it works. Okay. What's this? A star active. So the A star can I put this here? Ace. Apply. So this should be it. A star path active. And this comes through here. Oh, I understand. So this is wrong, actually. Okay, let's remove. Of course, the A star pathfinding is not available at this point because I don't have a complete map. Create random positions. there. Pathfinding, scan terrain. Maybe we should do it here. He'll return scanning. So when this is done, wait, and then to create random positions. Or maybe I should do something like this. Scan terrain. Actually, maybe I can. I just need to place it somewhere else. There. So when all of them are finished, tile, tail losses. Let's do a private tile. Wait. Terrain tile. Active tile. There. Active. Tile loaded. Oh, maybe I can do this. Active tile, tile. There, active tile. So there, active tile. Let's do loaded tile. So there. When the pathfinding ends, then I can do this. Active nearest. Okay, that should be enough. I hope. Okay. Don't you tell me. I just... That loop never exits. Am I right? So it seems. Okay. Unity editor. So you do this while this is false. If it's walkable. So if this is true, returns true. Let's do a debug. So I guess that's the problem. Let's try. Oh, profiler. Let's go. Oh, we have the same error than before. And task. So what's the problem with this? Okay, let's just get rid of this. There. Okay, let's do this. Do there. Wait. Let's just do a unity engine, the random, the range. There. New position. Do this. There. Let's try that. So I think that should be enough. Okay, so that works. Let's see. All the treasures should be inside the walkable area. Why can't I see the treasure here? Okay, this is barely inside the walkable area. Okay, 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 okay. Barely. Yeah, I think that works. Yeah, I think that works. Let's try again. Yes, that's inside. Just inside. Oof, look at that. Just there. Oh, another one. Just in the limit. Okay, I think it works. Yep, it works. Okay, I wish I had something to delete, but I didn't add it as a bug. Okay, so that's fixed. Let's do this instead. The iron sword has a problem. And after that one, I'm gonna do the tooltips. I don't like the color. Let's make it a bit darker. Actually, that's confusing to me. Even darker. Okay, let's see. Let's build this. There we go. All right, I forgot. I need a add card to player. So iron sword, right? Yes. There. Now I just need a way to activate it. Oh. Man, that's tough. Oh, no, don't leave me. What's going on with you? Confused. Nah, it's okay. Health. Nice. Oh. There. Health. Self, enemy, there. Now I just need a combo. Let's see, I have a tree and grass. There, so I need to build it there. There, nice. Or can I get more carrots? Where is my hero there? Wait. Oh, what's going on with you? Grass. Oh. Oh. It's because of the difference in height. I think that must be it. So it's walkable, but there is a problem with this. Has path, but hasn't reached its destination. Everything. What's the matter with you? So there is something going on here. There, he's trying to go there. Right? He's trying to go there. Because the destination is the chest. That chest. But for some reason he can't reach it. So this is the shape of the agent. Radius. Position smoothing, slow down time, Lead in radius. Gravity. See radius. So I think the problem is this position. See? That's the freaking problem. The problem is the position of the treasure. So let's see what can we find. A star, slope. So I think there is a problem with the height. Agent. Obstacle. Okay, end of path. Agent movement. Wandering, agent specific pathfinding. So what's the problem here? What's the problem? me check. Treasure. Model collider 000. This should work fine. Sound emitter. Let me check. Height. Path finding. Okay, path. Moment. Building. Wait. Previous. What was the previous? There. Oh. Never mind. Okay, again. So no. Oh, hi. Didn't see your message. Your game is inside of no, my friend. No. It's an original game. This is made in Unity. See? It has. It's just inspired in Loop Hero. But no, it's not a mod. Yes, inspired. It's just an inspiration. It's an inspiration. Oh, no. No, what I mean to say is that oh, I see. It's because of the in word you say. No, my friend, what I mean to say is that how can I say this? Well, I think you understand. Yes, it's let's say it's based on Loop Hero. Kinda. It's the same genre. It's basically the same formula but changed. Yes. Okay. So now what I'm trying to do is fix a pathfinding bug. That's why I'm here. Let's ask the AI. In Unity 6 I'm using this a pathfinding project. I'm using a star path finding project by Aaron Granberg. No, I have nothing to do with the developers of Loop Hero. No. What I did develop is another game called Planetary Exploration Company. I did develop this one, this other game. See, this is like a game inspired in Vampire Survivors. No, I don't mean to say that I don't like them. I actually like Loop Hero. That's why I made a game inspired by it. No. I just don't want you to be confused. I'm not claiming to be part of the dev team, is what I mean to say. Sometimes when a destination transform is all too much above or below the agent stops before reaching that destination. Why? Let's see. No, that's not what I mean. I mean, I'm not related to them. That's what I mean. I have no relation with them. I never worked with them. I never participated. I never participated in their projects. I was never part of the team. That's what I mean. So in Unity 6, when using Aaron Granberg's Star Pathfinder project, the issue where an agent stops before reaching a destination transform that is significantly above or below the agent is likely related to how the Star Pathfinding project handles pathfinding in 3D space, particularly with respect to height differences, navigation constraints, and the graph type being used. Okay, grid graph. I'm not using a grid graph. I'm using a nav mesh. Okay, but stop if the destination is outside. Yes, I get that. Or if the height differences exceeds the agent's configured movement capabilities. Max climb height. Okay, let's see that. Agent recast. Oh, I see. The maximum. Oh, let's say 2, not 1.5. Why? That's crazy. So that should fix the issue. Clamping to 2. Okay, that's gonna fix the issue. Oh, thanks. Okay. Good. So this had a wrong value because this sets the maximum height that the agent can climb. So if the slope is too big, the agent would never climb that slope. So there, I increased the maximum slope that it can climb. So now it can climb almost any height. That's going to fix the issue. So there, I'm going to get some coffee. Let's hear this. Be right back. So let's try. Wait, so I'm going to check if the hero actually travels in a big slope. So let's see. So let's place this treasure on that slope and let's see what happens. There, can you go there? Oh, whoop. There we go. Let's put you there. Whoop. There. So that's a big slope. If it works, it means it works. Oh wait, maybe you won't be able to, because it's a very small area. Maybe there. So that's a big slope. There. So let's try to make the hero go through that. There, let's see if he gets there No, he won't go there. No, wait. Yes, I meant to say that it's too narrow. That's what I meant to say. It's too narrow. I don't know. What are you supposed to do? I don't know. You mean as a player? Ah, I see. No, I'm just trying to see if I fix the issue, because sometimes when the slope was too steep, the hero got stuck. You know, it stopped moving, and he should never stop moving. So you want to make sure to make the hero go through a big slope, you know. So there, how he won't be able to reach there. There, so there. I have another bug there. How are you gonna do that? Okay, so he can't reach there. He's stuck. Well, that's another problem. Let's see. Yes, that's true. Yes, that's a possibility. It's possible, yes, yes. I think the asset, this one, the asset that manages pathfinding has a special function to check if he can reach or if he cannot reach the position. So I guess I could use that special function, but we'll see later. I'm gonna try that later. There, let's see. Or not here. Yes, that's true, but that's actually even more complex to do. That's even more difficult because all these maps are procedural generated. Oh yes, that's a possibility. I mean, instead of expanding it, I could make the hero less wide, you know, more thin, so he can go anywhere. That's another option. But now I need to find a big slope. Oh, there we have one. We have one there. So there. There, so he's gonna go around here, I think. Oops. He's gonna go. No. And there, let's take that. Yes, he's gonna go through here. Yes, but actually the problem was the angle of the slope. So the angle had a limit, you know. It couldn't climb slopes of certain angle, you know. That was the problem. So okay, he's going through the other one. Okay, let's see. Can you go there? Actually yes, that's a very big slope. I mean, a steep slope. So I think that's a proof of that the problem is fixed. Oh, now he's going to go there. That's another big slope. There we go. So yeah. So that proves that the problem is fixed. Yeah, well, it's my problem. Yes, good job. You did it. Well, when I fix something, I like to play this thing.
You win. Perfect.
There. I need to do that when I fix something. We fixed it. Yes, as a team, we did it. Okay. Do I have something to... Oh, I didn't write it. Add source. Oh, I didn't add it. Add iron source. Okay, now I have to fix another issue. Agreed, yes, agreed. We are adequate, indeed. So, what I need to do now is... What? Oh. I need to equip a sword. Let me add... What? Oh, the profiler. Add card... What? Add card to player. Iron swords. There we go. I have an iron sword. Let's put this there. And I need add effect cards to player. So the effect is health, I think. Health, or how was it called? I don't remember. Player. Add effect cards. Health. There, health. And true. health. So I apply that to that. And let's see the errors. I should get some errors with the source. Oh, wait a second, didn't I have a wheat? There, so this uses wheat. I have that, so I can add some wheat there. Oh, you. There. Okay, so, oh, I need a combo. Add combo card to player. Add combo. There. 2 slots right. Okay. I guess I can use this. One, two. This one, I mean this one here. And there, so when this activates, it's gonna trigger a bug. There we go. So object reference not set to an instance of an object. What, this one? Weapon parent cars. Slash. So this is not set. My weapon parent cars. Update weapon parent cards. It's never updated. Okay, slash disable. On card activation event. Update. Wait a second, what's this? On card activation event. Let's see, where is this used? Oh no. On card activated. So the weapon collider of the hero. Let's check the hero. Oh, me too. I hope you enjoyed this one too, you know, someday, hopefully. This little game I'm making. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Nice to see you all. And thanks for coming to see what's going on here. Okay, so this this variable is set to none for some reason. None. Why? Thanks. I live in Argentina. Argentina, I speak Spanish. Spanish is my first language. That's why I have a strange accent, a weird accent. Okay. Where are you from? Where are you all from? Tell me, I want to know. Germany, wow, amazing. Thanks. Oh, Spain, hola. Hola España, hola España. Yo también hablo español. Español. Deberíamos hablar español entonces. Oh. Pero si hablamos español, no nos van a entender los alemanes. Y hace poco había alguien de Bélgica que estaba viendo también. Yes, thanks. Thanks for making that clear. That's very important. Yes, that's true. Oh, thanks. Okay. Why this isn't... Okay, I need... Good to know. That's a relief, actually. Yes. Lithuania. Awesome. Thanks for watching, by the way. Thank you so much. So we have Spanish people, German people, Lithuania people, Argentina people. Amazing, isn't it? Update. So when is this? Oh, when the card gets activated, this is updated, right? Or not? Oh, wait a second. This is never updated then. That's the problem. That's the problem. But why? On card activation event is invoked here. On card activation event. Yes, there it is. Wait, actually, I want to know the title. Wait, this is a prefab, so I need the card and I need the title. There we go. So it should run here. Why isn't what empty? So this is empty when it's destroyed. When the hero is destroyed, it gets empty. Okay. Please. So this is never activated for some reason. My autobattles manager get entity being. So there. This is correct. So this calls the entity being, the activation queue, and on card activation event. Wait a second. This is awake. So maybe. Wait, no. Maybe this is set in the wrong moment. That could be it. Well, let me see, when is this set? Let's do this. There. Configure deck. When is this configured? On hero on start. So maybe that's the problem. On card activation event. Maybe that's the problem, because my entity being gets configured. Slash weapon collider. Okay, let me see, hero. There, slash collider. This is the hero. The hero has none of these, but there is an entity being here. The entity being is a mono behavior, so it doesn't need to be created through cause because it's here. So when I run this, my activation queue, there is there. On card activation event, but I think, I think I know what's going on. So it's set, this is set. Okay, I have the autobattles manager, I have the entity being, I have the activation queue, but what happens with this is that I configure it, I configure the deck. Oh, I overwrite it. Overwrite. That's why. That's the problem. That's the problem. My activation queue, but serialized. So this is serialized. My activation queue. That's the problem. So this activation queue gets overwritten when the start method of the hero is run. So when should this be? Maybe I should on start. Maybe I can do this. I'm gonna put this on start, and then I'm gonna make sure that the execution order happens first the hero, and then after the hero the collider. So that should be enough, I guess. Hero and then the collider. How is it called? Slash weapon collider. So there, where is the slash? Slash weapon collider. There, and since I'm here, let's get the enemy. The enemy. Where are you, enemy? Enemy. Wait a second. Is this what I think it is? Oh, it's outside my namespace. So if it's outside my namespace, it should be outside my namespace. There we go, enemy. So first the hero, then the enemy, and at the end the slash weapon collider. So that should fix the issue. There we go. Let's try it. There we go. Let's make this bigger. So let's create a combo card. What? Oh. I don't know. I would probably get too nervous, it could be a nerve-wracking event for me. And I would stutter a lot. And I would say nothing. I would just stay there, not knowing what to say. That's I think that would happen. I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown. I think. Yeah, me too. Me too. So what was I doing? Oh. So let's add a combo card. Oh, I have two combo cards. And let's add card to player. iron sword. And let's add some effects. I don't have effects here. Poison, confuse. Yeah, why not? So I have what I need. I think there, 2 slots right there. So if I get an enemy, I'm gonna apply to him poison and confuse. Let's get this. There we go. Oh, there. Okay, so the issue isn't fixed. I didn't fix anything. So the slash collider, there. The same problem than before. Yes, because that's not set for some reason. Maybe I need to recompile. Maybe that's the problem. I need to recompile. Recompile. There. Let's go. Okay, the same thing as before. Let's create this guy. Let's put this here. Let's get rid of that. Let's add a card called Iron Sword. There we go. Now let's add a combo card. Is that good? No, that's not good. That's not good. That's good. There we go. And now let's add effect card to player. It was health, and true. There we go. Self health? No. Self health? No. What in the name of what? No. Okay, now it's so screwed up. Everything is broken. No. Let's try again. Enemy health. Okay, let's put this here. Let's apply a combo. One right. Let's put this here. There we go. So let's try there. Okay, recompiling didn't work. There. So there we go. Didn't work at all. So this run at least? Not even once. This didn't run. Update. So this doesn't run. Should be able to run. Why it didn't? I have the hero, the enemy, the building placer, and at the end I have the slash collider, slash weapon collider. should be able to work, unless this is overwritten somewhere else. No, this is just overwritten here. Configure deck. Configure, maybe configure is run. Oh, look at this. Oh no. Okay, so this is overwritten when the hero is created, and then it starts, and then it gets configured. Hey, thanks. I'm trying. I'm just trying. I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm trying. So configure. Configure. When I call configure, the entity being configures the deck, which means the activation queue is overwritten there. So my activation queue, this one, gets overwritten. There. Maybe on card activation event plus equals. Oh no, I already checked that. Configure deck. But why is it, why is this okay? So oh, so it's okay. The activation queue is overwritten. That's okay. Parent, awake, active condition, cached card. That's fine. So there, my activation queue. Oh, I know what's going on. I understand now. This happens because this should be on enable actually. No, it shouldn't be on enable. Okay, I'm gonna do I understand now what's going on, because this actually starts disabled. This guy starts disabled, and it only gets enabled when the card gets enabled. There, in here. So this executes the card and sets the slash game object to run this. because it's enabled. But this never gets a chance to run. Actually, this never gets a chance to run. That's why, that's the problem. So I need to initiate this here, actually. So I don't care when I forgot what I was going to say. I'm so funny. Private / weapon collider. My / weapon collider is a serialized field. There. So when this is configured, I set this as init. There we go. Or should I say setup? Or should I say configure? Let's do a configure. Configure. There. So now I don't care when you are enabled. I'm just gonna run this whenever I want. I mean, just after I overwrite the activation queue. Okay, so that should be enough. That's what I always say. That should be enough. That should be enough. And then nothing works. Okay. Let's do what I always do. There. What? Oh, I forgot to assign it. There. There we go. That's what I wanted. Let's save it. Let's try again. There we go. There we go. Ah. There we go. Oh. There we go. Oh, just what I wanted. Oh, yes. So enter close combat. Now I just need effects. Add effect card to player. And the effect is health. And it needs to be a positive effect. No, not dot. Oh no, it's full. Okay, let's get rid of that, of that, of that, of that, and let's try again. There we go. That's what I wanted. So let's play again this. Okay, so now when I attack, no bugs, please. There we go. No bugs. Oh, that's very good. Oh, take that. Take that, peasant. I mean, slime. Oh, but what are you doing? You're still attacking someone? Oh, shame on you. So did I fix something? Almost there. Let me check. So the hero should have trouble. Debug. Check that out. The chase target and the combat target has an element that is missing. So that's a problem. On weapon collider hit. Look at this. Accept visitors. So what's this? Target collider. So this executes. What's the problem? When it's okay, that's another problem. Why is it empty? Okay, that sword has a health effect there. So this value damages the target. So when I kill the target, triggers on kill event. Wait, what's this? On kill event, and then remove from list. Did I get removed from the list? Let me check. So on goblin, okay, that one got killed. The goblin and the slime got killed. There. Entity slime being killed. Remove. There. Remove from combat. What's this count? So 1. Wait. 2? Okay, just before removing. Combat target. False. Remove on kill listener. What? So I had 3. I had 3 combat targets, because if I removed it, it means I had 3. But I actually have like 2 enemies. Okay. Targets count equals, plus count. So this is before and after. So that, see what I have. What? Autobattler killed slime. Remove from list. Target slime. So it was removed twice. It was removed twice. Why? Remove from list. That's weird. So let's check. Oh, trigger on kill event. That, and then again from this target, trigger on kill event. Wait a second. On kill event. Maybe that's add listener. Add on kill listener. Add on kill listener. So when I add a chase target, first it checks if it contains the chase target, and then add on kill listener. Remove from lists. Okay. Never mind. Let's see what happens. Oh. But he will never stop attacking the air. Entity slime being killed. Okay, I'm feeling my mind getting depleted. My mind is getting empty. That's a sign to stop working. But I'm gonna work a little bit more. And soon I'm going to finish for the day. So iron sword. What? Iron sword. Oh, add combo. Add combo to player. Okay, that's good. Add card to player. Iron swords. There. And now add effect card to player. And I say health. And I say true. Is this what I wanted? Yes. There, there, there. 2 slots left. Okay, let's put this guy here and there. So this one will activate this one. Let's see. There we go. So we have one goblin. Oh, a goblin and a slime. Okay, no problems now. Actually, maybe that's not good enough, because maybe the bug only triggers when the iron sword gets the kill, but if the punch gets the trigger, then nothing happens. I mean, nothing bad happens. No, that's no, that's there. Combo weak. Enemy poison, enemy weak. Again, start the fight. Wow. Oh, this is better. So let's get rid of all this. Of course, trigger another unrelated. Yes, that's an unrelated bug. Okay, let's write that down. When moving the iron sword, when it was activated, it trigger a bug with, let's see, variable not found. Let's write it here, there, and let's leave it for later. Okay, should I stop? What else can I do? Yeah, I'm gonna stop. I can't think anymore. I don't even know what I'm doing now. No, I can't think. I can't think. You know what? This shouldn't be... this shouldn't be public. I'm gonna fix that and then I'm gonna quit. There. I just want to... There, what? There, and now I'm gonna add public void, add card activation listener, action listener. Perfect. Let's do this, and I'd like to do it like this. First remove it and then add it. And is that how it's done? Yes. So where else do I need this? Add card activation listener. Add card activation listener. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I screwed up something related to the listeners. Add card activation listener. Okay. There. Add card activation listener. There. Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for coming and making me smile. Hopefully see you again tomorrow. Okay. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye bye.